Lamphang ging dorba thau ain kejela Thomas sangma ula Pyntikna ha kesngi balang ba uba Roni Wiling do ula eno ya kakam kum Nongialam ke Liang Pyrshah ba ula ai ke siti ban kershan ya Nongialam ke TMC Dr. Mukul. Lamphang ula pentibru ba Dr. Mukul sangma Nongialam ke TMC Parliamentary Party. Ula wan ban kam kum Nongialam ke Liang Pyrshah hapok Mekalaya Legislative Assembly.
He, on his personal capacity, is not prepared. The TMC has stayed clean for the post of leader of opposition with the support from lone Congress MLA, Mr. Roni Wiling. Yes, I have received. Anything else?
No, sir, like, will you approve the proposal or will you consider?
Yeah, I received a letter of submission claiming staking claim to hold the get the position of leader of opposition, but I'm still examining it. I have received it, and I think I will be making a decision very soon.
So they don't have 10% like as per rule?
10% in a house of 60 is there because they have now total of 6 members, which is just exactly 10% of the total strength of the house. So in that criteria, they have fulfilled that criteria. But there are other things. It's not the only, requirement. So I'm still reserving my decision. I will take a call on that very soon.
What about the post of chief whip of opposition?
Opposition chief whip.
Yes, as per the claim of the TMC, as they have the support of one lone Congress MLA in the person of Sri Roni Wiling. So they have required that they have requested that the post of LO be given to TMC and the opposition chief will be given to Roni Wiling.